Email marketing is the sending of emails to a database or contacts, as may be your prospects. It is considered a digital communication strategy and falls within the direct marketing actions. It focuses on sending a message with the aim of acquiring new customers, developing the relationship with current ones, creating loyalty, interacting with contacts, increasing sales, building trust towards a service or product, confirming a purchase order, among other objectives. When used properly, an emailing campaign is more effective than social media, which is why it is one of the favorite tools of marketers. It is considered one of the most cost-effective channels in online marketing, but it is necessary to have a clear, concise, and value-added content strategy. The first thing to do is to choose a free email marketing tool that provides good options to perform the activities you want to perform without additional charges or limitations. Mailay is one of them. It does not include advertising in its shipments. It does not have to be limited to daily shipments as happens with other platforms. Send as many emails as you want without exceeding the 75,000 you have free per month, or up to 15 contacts, and you will also have access to technical support even if it is free of charge. Take time to create your own contact list with the requirements you need to make it easier to divide into groups. Set goals you want to achieve, no matter it is a welcome campaign, promotion, etc. Choose a type of email according to your campaign and your objectives, so do a good segmentation, be creative, and focus on the important.